Having elite status with a hotel chain can turn an ordinary stay into one where you feel like a VIP from the moment you arrive. Hilton's Honors Program is amongst the most impressive in the industry. So let's dive in to learn more about earning Hilton Elite Status and what that status gets you. The most conventional way to earn Hilton Elite Status is to spend a lot of nights in Hilton properties. Hilton's Silver status is its lowest tier, but it can be achieved with just 4 stays or 10 individual nights. Gold status is a major step up in terms of perks, and to achieve that, you'll need to have 20 stays or 40 individual nights, or 75,000 base points, and that's achieved by spending $7,500 with Hilton properties. Diamond is Hilton's highest tier, and to achieve that, you'll need 30 stays or 60 individual nights, or 120,000 base points, which is achieved once you've spent $12,000. One of the unique elements of the Hilton Honors Program is your ability to earn status solely by holding a co-branded Hilton American Express card. Even the no annual fee Hilton AMEX grants you automatic silver status, and if you spend $20,000 on that card in a year, you'll be upgraded to gold. The Hilton AMEX Ascend, which has a $95 annual fee, grants you automatic gold status, and if you spend $40,000 on that card, you'll be upgraded to diamond. The highest tier card, the Hilton AMEX Aspire, has a $450 annual fee, but with that comes automatic diamond status. Also, that fee is easily offset with a $250 annual airline fee credit and a $250 annual Hilton Resort Statement credit. If you already hold or are planning to apply for the Amex Platinum, it's worth noting that that card also grants you automatic Hilton Gold status. Now, perks vary at each status tier within the Hilton program, but some of the things you can look forward to include bonus points on stays, room upgrades, complimentary breakfast, and a 5th night free on award stays. Now, for Gold and Diamond members, you occasionally get multiple perks at each property, and you'll need to log into your Hilton account and go to your My Way benefits to choose those. Choosing whether or not to consider a hotel program can be difficult. There's a big commitment to staying a lot of nights in a certain brand in order to earn that status. But with Hilton, it's kind of a unique case. There are co-branded American Express cards that grant you automatic status, so you can get that status without ever having to actually stay in a Hilton property, and that's a big perk. Hilton does a great job of treating its elite members really well. One of the unique elements is how strong the gold status is. That includes complimentary breakfast at Hilton properties, and in most rival programs, that's a perk that's reserved for their highest tier. For the full breakdown of the perks you can expect as a Hilton Elite member, be sure to check out our link below.